You're looking at video documentation of one of Pennsylvania's infamous live pigeon shoots. Now, you don't have to be a humane officer or a district attorney to see that a live pigeon shoot is cruel. Anyone who enjoys shooting, wounding, and abandoning small animals tossed out of boxes is a heartless and depraved individual. A live pigeon shoot violates Pennsylvania law any number of ways. Title 18, Section 5511C of Pennsylvania Humane Law states, quote, "A person commits an offense if he wantonly or cruelly ill-treats, overloads, beats, otherwise abuses any animal, or neglects any animal as to which he has a duty of care, whether belonging to himself or otherwise, or abandons any animal, or deprives any animal of necessary sustenance, drink, shelter, or veterinary care," unquote. Consider for a moment that this law applies to both pigeons and puppies. And imagine for a moment if the animal tossed out of the box was not a pigeon, but a puppy. In that unimaginable scenario, officials would immediately step in and stop the killing. But the fact is that in Pennsylvania, the same law that protects puppies protects pigeons as well. Pigeons are animals and are covered under Pennsylvania's cruelty statute. On December 10, 2009, Pennsylvania Humane Society police officer John Seaton filed 3 citations for animal cruelty against the Pike Township Sportsmen's Association for holding a live pigeon shoot at its club outside Oley, Pennsylvania. Incredibly, Berks County District Attorney John T. Adams ordered the local district judge to withdraw the charges. Here is his letter, which states, quote, "I am hereby notifying you that the above set forth citations are to be withdrawn. If you have any questions or concerns in regard to this matter, please feel free to contact me at your convenience," unquote. Interestingly, Mr. Adams doesn't indicate any lawful reason or justification whatsoever for his conduct. Perhaps the issue is Ms. Seaton. Let's look at her for a moment. Ms. Seaton has devoted her life to fighting animal cruelty, from passing laws to enforcing them. She has 11 years of experience as a trained and certified Pennsylvania Humane Police officer. She has won 12 of her 13 court cases. She has paid nothing for her service to the state. Her only apparent motive in filing charges against the pigeon killers is a genuine desire to enforce Pennsylvania humane laws and to protect animals from cruel treatment. So why would District Attorney Adams kill the charges? What could possibly be his motive? Well, you might be interested to know that Berks County District Attorney John T. Adams received campaign contributions of at least $1,000 from the Flyers Victory Fund. The Flyers Victory Fund are the pigeon shooters. How utterly disgusting that a group that has fewer than 300, mostly out-of-state members, wields this much influence in Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania is the only state that tolerates the public practice of live pigeon shoots. Does Pennsylvania, a state racked with political corruption, need yet another public disgrace? If you want to make change for animals in Pennsylvania, please go to PennsylvaniaShame.com to learn how you can help. While we very much appreciate your YouTube comments, we need your calls, emails, and letters to Pennsylvania elected officials even more. Pennsylvania founder William Penn must turn in his grave to think of what his home state has become. Berks County District Attorney John T. Adams, you are a disgrace to your office and an embarrassment to the state of Pennsylvania. Like I said in the beginning, you don't have to be a humane officer or a district attorney to see that pigeon shooting is cruel. You do apparently have to have some compassion or at least a sense of ethics and morality. I guess that's why District Attorney John T. Adams just doesn't get it. This is Steve Hindy for Showing Animals Respect and Kindness.